Stretching your ears is simple, pain-free, and one of the easiest and coolest body modifications you can do. Here's how to achieve stretched ears using the simplest, safest, and most painless ear stretching technique, dead stretching. We recommend waiting at least 4 to 6 months after getting your initial piercing before thinking about stretching up. The piercing should be fully healed and showing no signs of infection. Most piercers will pierce your lobes between 0.8mm and 1.2mm. Our dead stretching kits start at just 1mm, which is the perfect size to start your ear stretching journey. It's standard to stretch up in 1 or 2mm increments, but our kits go up in 0.5mm increments. When done correctly, this more gradual stretch is safer and completely pain-free. Importantly, never skip sizes. You will need a clean pair of hands, a surgical steel, titanium or glass dead stretching kit with single flare plugs or tunnels in 0.5mm increments, a hot shower or bath, jojoba oil, fragrance-free antibacterial soap. Start by taking a warm shower or bath. The heat and steam will improve circulation, soften your skin, and generally help you to relax. Then choose your jewellery. If you're starting with unstretched pierced ears, choose the smallest size and work your way up one size at a time. Wash your hands thoroughly with antibacterial soap. Remove the O-ring from your plug, then wash your lobes and jewellery with the same soap. Massage your lobes with jojoba oil for 5 minutes. This lubricates the lobe and stimulates blood flow. Lubricate the jewellery with the jojoba oil. Ensure you lubricate the entire wearable area of the jewellery. Slowly insert the plug into the lobe from the front. As this plug is only 0.5mm bigger than your current size, there should be little to no resistance. If you feel any pain, stop. You're not ready for that next stretch yet. Wipe off any excess and secure the O-ring onto the back of the jewellery. Pat yourself on the back you've just sized up. Repeat the process for the other lobe if you're stretching both. We recommend waiting at least 2 months between stretches, and remember, never skip sizes. Each stretch is different, and the next one might not be as easy as the last. Common sense and patience are key to achieving healthy, happy stretched lobes. If you followed the process correctly, Aftercare is simple. Wait a couple of days before removing your new jewellery to allow your lobes to adjust and settle to the new size. Remove your jewellery regularly to clean both the jewellery and your lobes. Massage your lobes 3 times a week with jojoba oil or ear stretching balm to promote healing and elasticity. Wait at least 1 month after stretching up before wearing porous jewellery such as wood and stone. And that's it, it really is that easy. Visit It Body Jewellery for a full range of pain-free ear stretching kits, plugs, body jewellery and aftercare.